What up, everybody? My name is Maestro Stevens with Iconic Templates, and this is a quick installation guide to set up your Uni-Blocks templates KB conversions library. A quick note or a notable mention to give you is that our KB conversions library, and KB stands for Kadence Blocks, is best compatible with the Kadence theme, and that is because they are made by the same company. However, you can use any theme you would like to use as long as you have the theme settings, the page layout set up the way that you would like to see the page. So first, let's go to Appearance. Click on Appearance, and then you'll notice that on this fresh installation of WordPress, I have the 2024 theme set up. You may already have another theme or no theme at all. However, I'm going to click Add New Theme, and I'm going to look for Kadence theme. Now, the convenient part about this is, as of right now, the Kadence theme is already here in our viewing. But if it was not, you would search for it right here by typing in Kadence. And there you will see the Kadence theme. Next, you will install the Kadence theme and activate it. Now you want to go to Plugins and click Add New Plugin if you already don't have the Kadence Blocks plugin installed on your website. So to install the Kadence Blocks plugin, you're going to search Plugins and search Kadence. From there, you're going to click Install Now on the Gutenberg Blocks by Kadence Blocks. And then activate Kadence Blocks. Once Kadence Blocks is activated, you're going to go to your pages and either click on All Pages or Add New Page. Now, if you already have a page set up or you're on a website that already has pages set up, you can add this on any page. If you don't have pages set up, you're going to click Add New Page. Now, once you add a new page, you're going to enter into Gutenberg or the WordPress editor. From there, you're going to look for the design library, which is at the top, and then you're going to click the Kadence Blocks design library. From here, you're going to click the plus button next to the Kadence tab or Cloud Connect. Once you are in the Cloud Connect tab, you're going to add our connection URL, which is the connection URL I'm typing here. Make sure you add our cloud.iconictemplates.com connection URL correctly with the HTTPS. From there, you're going to add your connection access key, which can be found in your My Account dashboard area. So I'm going to go to my Account dashboard area, and then I'm going to go to Downloads. Click on Downloads if you have downloads, or if you just see your license key, you can click on that as well too. You're going to click on your license keys. And then you're going to copy your license key here. Once you have your license key, you're going to add your license key to the connection access key field here. And then you're going to add connection. You will then see a tab that says Iconic Templates. You're going to click on Iconic Templates. And now you have access to all your Uni-Blocks templates or your KB Essentials and KB Conversions libraries right here. And you can import any template that you would like through a click of a button. For example, I'm going to click this lead capture template here. And there you go. That's how easy it is to install and use your Uni-Blocks templates with Kadence Blocks. Peace.